Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can we reset iPhone keyboard. So guys, to do this, go to settings and go to general. Now after going to general, scroll down and here you can see the second last option, transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and after that click on reset, again the second last. And after clicking that, here you can see reset keyboard dictionary. Click on it and after that you need to just give your passcode and here you can see reset dictionary. Just click on it and by doing this your iPhone keyboard will be reset. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.